that helps open source maintainers triage GitHub issue, detects duplicates, and draft release notes automatically. It's live, deployed, and used on real repositories. It's built on Coral's SQL interface, which turns GitHub into queryable database, and Grok running Llama classification, Reacts, and Vite on frontend, Node and Express on backend, and deployed on AWS with Docker. This triage run will same request appear in the signoz seconds later. For this hackathon, I instrumented the entire AI pipeline with signoz. Every request is traced end to end, broken into two operations that actually cost time: the Coral query and the Grok call, each with its own duration. Now let us go towards the logs. The structured logs are correlated automatically to the trace ID, so I can open and request and see exactly what happens in order. Now comes our dashboards. This is our dashboard in the signoz, tracking our last week of AI operations at a glance. We monitor triage runs over time, grok latency by feature, breaking down the triage, duplicate detection, overall token usage, and system errors rates to ensure high reliability and performance. And these are the alerts. So let us come towards the learning and the growth part. I assumed that the LLM was my bottleneck. It wasn't. The Coral SQL fetch took 9.8 seconds on a small repo and 4.8 seconds on a large one, while Grok stayed flat at around 1.6 seconds regardless. I wouldn't have found that without tracing it. That's the whole value of observability, replacing guessing with looking. And at the end, I would like to say everything is open sourced and live. Thank you for watching.